Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If you're here for the first time, I highly recommend that you watch the video about the special relationship between the US and France before starting this quiz. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Does the special relationship between the US and France go back to World War II? No, it goes back to the American Revolutionary War. Did France help the US win its independence from Britain? Yes, France supported the US with troops, ships, and weapons. Has France never disagreed with the US? No, they have had disagreements on military and policy issues. Are the US and France allies in NATO? Yes, both countries are members of NATO. Did the US ever send help to France during World War I and II? Yes, the US played a major role in both wars to support France. Are New York and Paris symbols of cultural connection between the two nations? Yes, both cities represent cultural exchange and influence. Is French culture admired in the US? Yes, Americans admire French cuisine, art, and fashion. Do both countries support democracy and human rights? Yes, those are shared values between the US and France. Are the US and France rivals in all areas? No, they are allies, though they sometimes have disagreements. Do both countries often stand together on global issues like climate change? Yes, they often support the same causes internationally. Watch this video as many times as needed to master the content. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss the upcoming videos in this exciting series on learning English and US culture. See you in the next adventure.